Hey guys, let me show you how to build an AI agent that helps keep you up to date with latest industry news by monitoring different news sources on your behalf and send a recap every day for you. This is the AI workflow on MindPal that I have built specifically for this purpose. This AI workflow doesn't need any human input to trigger. It will start with a step to search for latest news about your niche. In this case, the niche I'm interested in is AI news. Specifically, I'm a business owner looking to understand AI better and understand how I can use AI in my own business. So with this search for latest news steps, I have different news sources that I want to monitor. So these are the 7 sources I often pay attention to. The first 2 sources are 2 RSS feeds, but the latter 5 are 5 keywords that I want the AI agent to do online research every day on. And for this step, I want my AI agent to conduct a comprehensive search for latest news related to AI. And if the source is an RSS feed, I would like the AI agent to use the scrape a website tool. So I just use this as simple to mention the scrape website tool here, so that just to make sure that the AI agent would use this tool to read the full content of the feed. And then if it's an online search query, I would like it to use the search news and blog articles tool, which will return the latest results about that query for that day for me. So this is the first step. Now, after my AI agent has gathered all the latest news headlines, it will move on to the next step, which will evaluate each news headline for me. The reason why I would need it to evaluate is because not all headlines are relevant to me. So I want this step to exclude the headlines that are clearly irrelevant to the reader myself, and then exclude duplicated headlines as well. And then for each headline that remains, it will read the content and produce an 8-point summary and analyze if the news matters to me, technical or non-technical business owner looking to educate themselves on AI and its use cases in business, and explain why. And then it will also evaluate the relevance with a score from 0 to 5. Now, this instruction is totally customizable. So if you have different criteria or process of curating these news headlines, feel free to teach your AI agent how to curate the news to best fit your preferences. Just type down all your requirements and expectations here so that the AI knows how you prefer it to do this work. Now, after my AI agent has read through all the headlines and understand the headlines to see what's relevant to me, what it should report to me, it will move on to the final step, which is to generate a report. And essentially, this step will take the result from the previous step, the read and evaluate each headline step here, and then it presents the news in the form of an email newsletter for me. And here are some rules that I want the AI agent to apply. Things like make sure to include unique news only, include the links for me to read more if interested, and so on. After my AI workflow is set up, all I need to do left is to set up a schedule trigger for this workflow so that it will automatically run every day for me. I can add a custom trigger here. Let me rename this to daily trigger, and it will run every day 9 a.m. for me here. And then I will just save this trigger. Now, with this daily trigger setup, this AI workflow will automatically run in background every day at 9 a.m. and I will receive an email notification when it's done so that I can take a look at the news about the AI industry today. For example, this is the news that this AI agent reported to me today. First, it searched for the latest news from each of the 7 sources that I have provided it, starting with TechCrunch, RSS feed, feed, and then daily AI RSS feed, as you can see here. And it used the tools that I have provided to read these 7 sources. For the latter 5 keywords, as you can see, it will use a different tool called search news and blog articles using this keyword as a query. And here are the results. It returned the titles, summary, as well as the URL of each article for me. Now it will keep doing research for the rest of the sources, aiagent, openai, as well as news about Anthropic, and finally, googlegemini. The next step is a deep research and curation step where this AI agent will look through all the relevant headlines to do its summary, analysis, and scoring of relevance. As you can see, it is extracting all the unique news headlines that it can extract from the previous step. There are quite a lot of them. I think there may be like 30 or 40 different news headlines here. And then this AI agent start to read through each news headlines to do the 8-point summary as requested, an analysis of whether the news headlines is relevant to the reader, and a score of relevance as well. So it will keep doing this for every single news headline out of, I think, 40 different news headlines that it can extract from the previous research step. As you can see, since we have set up the AI workflow to find news from different sources, the headlines are quite diverse, from new AI tools, new AI use cases, new research papers, or how people are actually using AI at work. Now, after the AI agent has done its research, it is writing the final report for me. It prioritizes the most relevant news headlines and include a summary as well as the link for me to learn more here, exactly the way I have wanted it to. Now, following a similar recipe, you can create literally any personalized newsletter for any industry that you are interested in, be it AI or e-commerce or digital marketing or anything else. Let's set AI agent up and running, and every day you will wake up to a personalized rundown on what's going on in your industry to stay updated on your industry news. So go ahead and try it out at MindPal.io. Feel free to use this AI workflow as a starting point and further customize it to match your exact needs. The link is available in the video description. Happy automating!